Yeah, look, I mean, I'm excited to be here. In my opinion, I think Ireland is probably the biggest club in the country. Over the last few years, obviously, they've underachieved, and I think the club is desperate for the championship. That goes without saying. The fan base is huge, and I think as a coach or as a player, you want to play in front of full stadiums. And there's nothing worse than playing in front of an empty stadium. So my style, my philosophy won't change. I come here, I want to bring my style of play into Highlanders Football Club. I think it probably marries them anyway. Play football, keep the ball on the ground, move it around nice and quickly, be creative, be entertaining. People pay good money to come and watch the team play, so we need to entertain them. At the same time, win games and try and put Highlanders where they need to be and at the top of the league. And the league now is at 3 years on the bounce. They need to be knocked off their perch, I think, at this time now. So we've got a lot of work to do. I'm not saying we're going to win it, but that's got to be the mentality that we start out with, that idea that we want to win it. So I'm coming here, as I said, very excited, enthusiastic. I hope with a winning mentality.